Check. Yo, what's up, y'all? I just literally woke up. Yo, what's up, JB? Shit. I just woke up. I'm a little bit tired, but hold on. Let me. I'm not awake yet. Welcome everyone to the stream. I just literally woke up and hopped right onto the PC. You know, brush my teeth, get some coffee, hop straight on stream. Good morning, everyone. 500 for this funded, 300 for this, and 150 for this. Probably I'll take slow today. Which trade did I take? So I took one of this NQ long. Just down here. Yo, what's up? What's up, oppression? Yo. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good shit, bro. Yeah. But I bought NQ right here. Yeah, literally at the bottom. And with this account, I was just scapping the shit out of it. Like, I was just scapping with huge size. Risking like small. Yeah, hop on the live, bro. I'm doing a giveaway today too. Yeah, like just some small scalp, you know. Always the bottom ticker. Oh, why did I take this trade? So I use volume profile, mark the swing low to the swing high of this leg. And you know, this is one of the value note right here, the high value note. So it pulled back into the high value note. So this act like a support. If this fell, then we move to this note, but this hole. So I was just scaling in on book map. I see absorption, so I was just scaling in. Bottom tick there. I couldn't hold like for full TP up here, but yesterday I was going to bed, so I didn't hold. I was telling everyone it's gonna go back to all-time high, and it did, you know. So literally I bottom tick yesterday trade like this, literally the bottom of the day. And I would just accumulate my positions now here. At first I was only, you know, it was going down a lot. No, there's no cop car. I have music on. Dude, so I was just in a couple micros. Let's see, it goes up. So I just got in, accumulate my positions just right down here, and took off right here. Let's see if we can catch anything today. You know? Shit. Thanks y'all for being on the stream. Oh, yes, sorry. Make another high and kill this not. I might do a quick scalp right here. Or most of the seller come in right around right here. You know, that's why you see reactions. Like sellers holding right here, as you can see. And right now, sellers trying to bring it down aggressively. You see the big red bubble. So in order for me to go long, like it gotta pop back above this box. Or if it go below here, I'm gonna hop in short. Let's see though. Yeah, let's see. I mean, like news, like I think there's a government shutdown, so news they kind of push it back to next week. Good shit, Little. You caught some long, yeah. I mean, like, hell yeah. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Yeah. I'm thinking about doing like a 5-month subscriptions for everyone, so I would do a 24/7 live stream on Discord for. Yo, can you hear me now? But you know, I was saying, instead of spending $100-something, I want to help out the community. Like, I want to set up like my PC to stream the book map 24/7 on Discord, so which is no delay, and only charge you guys $5 a month, maybe, cause I gotta leave my PC on 24/7, you know, and I need like the book map subscriptions. I got the premium one, so it's like $100-something for monthly, because it's include the 90 monthly and the data. So you know, I need 20 people just to break even. So I feel like $5 is good instead of you guys spending $100-something. So before you guys spend that $100-something investment, you know, spend $5, give it a try, you know. Also on YouTube, they do have book map too. Like they stream book map, but like, you know, it's kind of delayed, a little bit delayed. So it's not gonna be, it's like 30-second, a minute delay. So by that time, like you already probably missed something. Cause with scalping, you gotta be fast, right? But you can search for book map up here, you know. But it's a little bit delayed for sure. And also, like, I can customize setting for you guys. What's up, Vincent? Who's Vincent? Who's this Vietnamese guy? Damn, I'm about to pay out with this one. Come on now, baby. Yeah. It's good to see Vit brothers in here. Come on now, let's fucking go. Yeah, I have some Vit people in my Discord too. But I don't see a lot Vit trader. As I say, I gotta get above this box for me to go long, you know? It's just a confirmation. Now it's going below. No, I'm from Texas, US, but I'm Vietnamese. What? Oh, you're from Texas? Where Texas? Bro, I'm Dallas. No way. Bro, I know, like, in Houston, like, especially Bel Air, bro, like, a lot of it. You right by Bel Air? Yeah, I be going down there sometime too. It's only like 2.5 hours away. Yeah, maybe next time if I get down there, you know, come see me, bro. Come hang out. Hell yeah, dude. Miami, yeah. Dude, I want to go to Miami too, but is it? Yeah, Miami. Florida is like 8 hour drive, but probably I'm just gonna fly there. Or if I go on a road trip, I'm gonna go with my friends. But I'd rather go on a road trip with friends, with a lot of friends. Cause Florida is not that far away. 8 hours road trip, not that bad. Yeah, as I say, like, it was looking bullish, right? But it has to close above that box for me to go long. This bookmap is a good thing for confirmation. Yo, what's up, Asad? Bro, pull up the stream, bro. I'm doing a giveaway today. What, you held the trade for long and Q? Duh. Oh, go? Good shit, bro. Okay. Yo, let's make some money for sure, man. I'm still waiting. If I want to go short, it's gotta go below here for me to short, to be honest. Let me try some. Let me see the volume of this whole thing up. Yeah, we're currently at the POC right now of this swing leg. Dude, if we get over here, then there's no more support. There's nothing in the way. I think it's gonna be a good short if we can get below here. As you can see, most of the volume traded up here, so you know, most of the buyers support up here, but just down here, like, barely any volume. So if we can get down here, bro, it might flush. Dude, I passed 2 account with this firm, but I couldn't activate it. Like, what the fuck? Like, yesterday I passed 2, but they don't allow me to activate it. Like, damn, bro, I'm trying to milk them out. But, goddamn. About to get payout with this one. I think I need like 3K, but let's see. I'll get 3K. I'll get there. Shit, my vape ran out of battery. This account was in a losing streak, but I brought it back up. It's just like sometimes, you know, in losing streak, you gotta play discipline. Give me 1 second. I trade since April, so 4 or 5 months now. Yeah, 5 months. It just turned October. 5 months. Exactly 5 months. Hold on, I'm sorry. I was uh I was chatting with the other guy. Dude, it's a losing streak. I was in a 5-day losing streak. Yeah, I do. That's my first strategy, but I don't use it no more. How? It just, it just it's predictions, you know. Like it's not as reliable as Bookmap and other stuff. Like it's like Bookmap, it support me with data, but what does ICT support me? Where's the data, you know? But Bookmap is real data in the market. Why did I learn Bookmap? I learned Bookmap just on YouTube. I don't buy any course or anything. Like everything is available to learn on YouTube. It's just like you guys gotta spend some time to do research. Like it's everywhere on the market, on the internet. Like just gotta research, you know. Like you don't have to buy course and stuff like that. You can learn everything online. Yeah, like if it works for them, it works. But like for me, ICT does not work. I just trade my strategy, bro. You know, like they be top tick, bottom tick with ICT, but how did they get the level? Like, yeah, I know standard deviations, but like, why do you think? Why they think there's gonna be a bottom tick there? But I use Bookmap to confirm that to see what's the price doing there for me to go for a bottom tick. You know. So you just try out the level, you got the level, and you just put in limit, bro. Like that's too easy. Like something is easy, it's not good. They're selling you that trim, you know. Like does it seems easy for them to sell you a course when they say, yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to bottom tick like a 1 to 10 or R. Like it sounds too good, right? So you would buy the course. But if they don't say that, how are you gonna buy the course, right? Yeah, but I got payout with Topstep and I upload them account, but that account was on like 20 days. It's fine though. But I'm gonna try to keep this account with this firm. And with Topstep, I'm back on a 150k challenge, trying to, you know, get it together. Try to get 5k payout. Yeah, on this day I was just like losing streak all day long. But you see, I don't take that much trade. This is just like micros, you know. Just play slow, just micros. And then like once I'm consistent again, then I start to increase size again. You know, when you're losing streak, bro, like just play small. You see the chart? It was fucking consolidating, and bam, I'm out of that fucking consolidation zone. You know, and this my stat. You know, 54% win. It was like 30%, and my average win and loss is almost 2 point. You know, that's mean like my losses are way smaller. Hell yeah. So if you guys need any recommendations with prop firm, just let me know, cause I know a lot of prop firm. I know every prop firm, dude, cause I've been with every prop firm. To be honest, at this point. We're at the POC right now. Let's see if we're gonna hold. If market break below here, I might short. What's my favorite? Definitely Topstep, dude. It's just quick and easy. No other rules. Like just like it's either you fucking make 5 days, you get payout, or you blow your account. No other rules, you know. And the second favorite, definitely Tradify top one. Like this one. Funded Next is good. Funded Next is good, but don't get instant account. I used to, when I first started trading, I was getting impatient. I thought I'm ready to just like fucking making money, so I purchased instant account and I blow so much money. But why do you need an instant account, bro? Just got an eval. Like why are you rushing? Why you really need money now? You really need a payout, bro? Just go slow. Trust me. Like just get that eval done. Trading, like, bro, just don't think about the money, bro. Don't think about payout and stuff. Just fucking study the chart. That's it. Don't focus on like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get instant account, so I don't waste time on, you know, eval and get a fucking funded right away and stuff like that, you know. By 10 sec? Yeah, that sucks, dude. Thank you so much, Asen. Yeah, maybe yeah, I'll trust, but like you know, the problem is like if I trust like the delay to like you know really low latency, like it might like lower the quality of the stream because right now it's 1440p quality, so y'all can see everything clearly, you know. So this are the two zones for today. If it get above this box, I'll go for long. Below this box, I go for short. Simple like that. Just stay patient. You don't trade between here. Between here is like seller and buyers fighting. Because right now, I want to catch a big move here. Above here, you long. Below here, you short. Let's see. No, I just want to, a fucking, you know, every time I get in a trade, I just want it to run. That's why you gotta be patient for the moment that, you know, it's either seller or buyer win the battle. And that's when you should get in. And you should be like, just in the trade and it just work right away, you know, like just run, no drawdown. You don't want to be in this mess. Just patient. Either buy or sell. That's it. Pretty easy. If you know your zones. You know, like if I'm buying up here, that doesn't mean I'm buying really high. That means I have confirmations. Buy high, sell higher. You know, if it's low down here, it's not that low. You know, sell low, sell lower. Confirmation is the key. You don't always try to bottom take. Yesterday, it was a good opportunity for me to bottom take right here. So I'll take it, you know. It was a good opportunity for me to just, you know, because I see there's some support over here. And, you know, but also I wasn't even like, you know, going full size. I was testing the water. So, you know, you gotta stay humble. So at first, I was only in with 2 micros. You know, gotta stay humble. Because market could reverse, who knows. And once I got a good confirmation, then I'm starting to accumulate into full size. You know, gotta stay humble. You cannot like saying, oh yeah, once price get down here, it's gotta reverse, you know, like you cannot like 100% sure. As I say, it's a probability game. So you just gotta know the probability. So at first it was so bearish. And I didn't think it's gonna do a quick reverse like this, you know, so I was just in small first to test it out. And once I see its actual reverse, then I'll add more, you know. Yeah, scalper have more patience, yes, absolutely. You know, I be patient on stream, right? But once I see the move, I'll call it out for everyone. Be patient. The only reason why people don't get paid out is they cannot be patient and they don't know their zones. They don't know where should they buy, which zone price get to, gonna be a confirmation for the buy, which zone gonna be a confirmation for the short. But if it got above here, that's a confirmation for me to go long. Guess what? You know, previously all of this seller defense. So if it got above here, what? As Fabio say, they're gonna cover the positions, right? So it's gonna squeeze so high. And I prefer buy for today because it's still a bullish trend. But let's see though, we could flip short. Harzan? No, I don't play. I used to play Assetto Corsa. I have my steering wheel and everything right here, bro. I'm a drifter. Yeah, and I do drift in real life too, sometime. So for my fixed volume on NQ, I just set this to tick per hour and set it to 1, so I can see the detail. But look, if you set it to this is default setting, it's not gonna be as detailed as possible, right? But if I set it to 1, which is I see 1 ticks per row, I'll see everything. I'll see it in details, like all the, you know, the spike and everything. Right here we have a low volume. No. I have Travian too. I used to play Travian when I was a kid. But I say I play Assetto Corsa. Assetto Corsa, not Travian. But I used to play Travian too. That game is fun. But I get fucked every time, bro. And I was a kid, so no one ever let me into a guild, you know, like. Damn, bro. Yeah, that game is hard as fuck, and it's like a pay to win game, bro. Not really a pay to win, but like if you have money, you just, you know, progress faster. That game was fun, bro. Like when I was a kid, like whoever played this game, bro, they're probably so old now, you know. Damn. Shit. And it's still pretty good too. I might play it, but let's see though. I don't have a lot of time. Sheesh. Dude, yeah, I was just playing for fun because I saw my brother playing it. Because my brother is right now he's like 28, so he's like 7 years older than me. So I saw him playing it, so like, I just hop on. I just want to, like, you know, since I was a kid, I'm pretty interesting about everything. Like I want to explore everything. So like if I see my brother play something, I'll play it. Damn, bro, hell yeah. Yes, sir. Give me a thumbs up. Come on now. Dude, you know, I woke up late today, but as soon as I woke up, I'll hop on straight onto my PC, you know, just for you guys. Because I don't want to miss the stream. And I'm doing a giveaway today. 2 50k evals on Topstep. I'm going to send out the gift card or like Zelle the money to whoever the winner. If you guys have Zelle, PayPal, whatever, you know. No, it's not a good idea to short now. It's not. Patient. So this is my zone. Below here I'll short. Above here I'll buy. And then I'll look for confirmations. If down here I see strong short, then I'm a short. If not, then it might reverse from down here. But right now it's at the POC, as you can see. Price kind of reacting up. So if price can reclaim up here, bro, I'm a long right here. But it's holding PLC right now. Hold on, let me put on trading view so I can see ES also. Let's see. Oh shit. So NQ volume profile today is at the lower zone right now. This is session volume profile. It's the session volume profile, and I have that indicated just right up here, SVP, and it's currently in previous day value area. So there's a high chance gonna retest this level right here, 42. Let's go, Waba. Good shit, man. Let me mark out some of the area right here. 42. 42. This is previous day value area low right here. I'm gonna mark that out. I haven't played COD before. That's the crazy. I play it once, but like I don't play a lot. I used to be a really good PUBG player, like PC. Like I used to be a professional player, and I play Valorant, CS:GO. You know, CS:GO. I think CS:GO was the first game I played on my PC. Yeah, stay humble, man. Like, you know, it's either you see your confirmation, good setup, get back in, or you stay out the market. Cause you know, the market 95% people fail. So if you're in profit, you're already ahead of 95% of the people. Do I compare indices? Sometimes. Yeah, sometimes I'll see ES and NQ. Look, so right now ES is moving up, right? But NQ is consolidating down here. But I'm trading on NQ, so like I wanna wait for confirmations right here on NQ. What's my setup? What you mean what's my setup? My strategy, it's just volume profile and book map. So I'm basically order flow trader. And swing high and swing low. Yeah, I know there's a divergence between ES and NQ. Yeah, definitely. That's why I'm waiting right now to see what they gotta do. Cause NQ still consolidate. We don't see the move yet. As I say, like between this two zone right here, they're gonna fight. So if they can reclaim up here, I'm a buy. I'm a long. Or if they break this area down here, I'm a short. But I gotta wait for confirmation. Because you know, if you get in around right here, it's gonna chop. I just want to get in when like, you know, buyers and sellers already done fighting, and one way just dominate. So as soon as I get in, it just go my way, you know. At the end of the stream today, so I'm probably gonna do it in 2 hours right here. Hell yeah. Hop on Discord too, y'all. Alright, in order for a giveaway, you guys gotta be on Discord, and you gotta go to announcement and send in the emoji. Like click the emoji on my announcement post, so I can see all the name, and I'ma do a shuffle, a roulette, you know, an online roulette. See who's gonna be the winner. So just go on Discord, go to announcement, and click on the emoji button. Yeah, they're fighting right now. No one should be in. You gotta wait until like one side has, you know, if buyers brought it back above here, seller defeated, and I'm gonna go long. And then it's just gonna go my way. I don't want to mess with all of this shit. Who want to trade the consolidations? That's crazy. How do I understand bookmap? Just, you know, so I do research. That's it, man. Like, what type of question is that, man? Like, gotta study, man. Like, okay, so here's some concept you gotta learn for bookmap, market auction theory, and what else? And learn volume profile. Just learn those two things first. And also you can search up on how to use bookmap. Like, I suggest you guys to learn from this guy also. Call my Rosado, he's pretty good. He's a good trader. Order flow trader right here. And Fabio, but he doesn't speak English that much. Let's see. I think this is his channel, right? Yeah, Fabio. He doesn't speak English at all, but he's a World Cup trader. What is QT? What is? Yeah, like bookmap. Yeah, you gotta understand how to use it. But like, oh, quant tower. Yeah, quant tower. Yeah, cause you see people just say quant tower. Yeah, I never see anyone like say like a shortcut like QT. You know, quant tower. Yeah, bookmap. Like, you gotta understand how to use it. Like, you know, if you get good QT, that's good too. It's an order flow too. Like just stick on whatever you're good with, you know? You don't have to get, but if you never trade order flow before, you might try bookmap, because I'm trading bookmap here so I can help you out. But if you already use something like quant tower, so stick with it. Stick with something that you know. But a lot of people right here in here never trade order flow before, and I think like, yeah, they can use quant tower and stuff like that too, but I'm here using bookmap so I can help them out easier, better, like for them to better understand instead of like other order flow tools. But like if you already an order flow trader and you use Sierra chart, quant tower, or any other like tools, then just stick with that, because they're all the same. They're gonna have heat map and everything. Quant tower have volume profile too, like, and heat map, and footprint chart, everything. And same with this, but with this I like it better because there are bubbles, to tell me aggressive buyers and seller, instead of me looking at the footprint chart. Okay, for volume profile, learn from this guy. Watch this whole video. Volume profile trading. Trader Dell. Watch. Let's see which one is good. He's gonna explain to you the ship and stuff like that. This one right here. Trader Dell, the only volume profile trading guy you will ever need. They're a type of ship, a volume profile, but I don't use that no more because now I kind of understand it. Like, why? Just don't study the shape. Study why it's got to be like, why does the shape form, and stuff like that. Like, what's gonna happen? Like shape, So P shape is the long continuations because all the volume has shift upward. That's mean like big players support price going upward. D shape is consolidation, so price bounce between the two zones. B shape it's going down, right? Obviously, this is up, this is down, and B shape is like, this is where volume transitions. Like, it was just bearish, and now it's transitions to bullish. And when price pull back up to this low volume, this is my favorite setup. This is where I catch the bottom tick entry between there. Okay, so like for the legs up, if I just draw the big leg up, like just like yesterday, you see it pulled back to the POC, it held. No, I think it was today. Yeah, it was at the POC, it held, so a bottom tick right there. Just like, you see, bro, look, POC, come back, what? We continue going up. And put this on your trading view too. This is session profile chart. It's automatically like try out all the session chart for you. So from Sydney Open to New York. So this is previous date. Okay, we might get long soon. ES is pulling out. Let's see though. But I want to wait for confirmation. Just like, look, ES pulled back into previous day volume retest, and what? We pull back up. And what? This is kind of P shape, right? Look, continuation P shape, but today it's a little bit D shape right here, unless we pull up further. Look, P shape, a B shape, yeah. Let's see though. I want to wait for confirmation on NQ though, right? But ES is divergence right now, gotta wait for that confirmation. Cause like ES might just go up, sweep some liquidity, and then like we go back down. Who knows? That's why I want to wait for confirmation. We need more people in the stream right now because we're doing giveaway today. Yo, what's up, How you doing? Damn, W, 1K up. Ooh. WSI. Yo, I'm gonna mute my mic real quick because I'm streaming. No, it's still going up. It still can going up. Like liquidity is just like, you know, the trend's still bullish, so there's no resistance above. So just don't ever expect it's a liquidity sweep. You know, it might just keep going up. You know, the trend gonna last until, if you're going against the trend and you think it's gonna reverse, it's gonna fucking last until you cap low. Then they will reverse once you don't have more money. So a lot of people stay unprofitable because they think it's too overextended right now, and they should short this shit. You know, like they think, damn bro, price too high, I gotta short. It's gonna reverse here. That's a prediction, right? Like that's a guess. There's no data to support their statement that like, okay, price have to reverse, you know. So if you want to short up here, there gotta be a reason why you short, or you know, you can not just like, oh yeah, price here is probably gonna sweep and reverse, I'm a short. What gonna support that statement? If I ask you like, damn, what's the probability percentage of it's gonna reverse right here? Like, can you give me the percentage? At least like just estimate it, you know? You know, trading, you gotta support your trade with data, not just, you know, draw some line on the chart and you think it's gonna do that. You gotta have different scenarios when you enter a trade. Like, okay, what if this trade fell? How much I'm gonna risk? What is the percentage? You know, if the percentage of it reverse right here is like 20%, okay, then I'm not gonna risk a lot. I'm gonna just test the water with 1 micro, just like yesterday with this trade. It was look, so with this trade, you know, at first, how many percentage you guys think it's gonna reverse right here? It was so bearish. I was catching a falling knife. That was like, this is like a pretty low percentage, but I know it's at previous day POC. I don't know if it's gonna keep going down or up. Therefore, I was just in a couple micros. And what? When it pulled up, I add 2 more, add 1 more, you know. I was gonna hold it to all-time high, but I was going to sleep. As I say, I told everyone yesterday it's gonna go to all-time high. You know, yesterday I caught some bottom tick down here too, on the stream. I literally bottom ticked the chart for everyone. But I was in with small size at first, and now adding more. You know, people always see me like, okay, I'm in half size, and then I'll put a stop buy, and once it break out, I'll be in another 5, right? I never like just go in full size and let it run. You gotta know, you know, the percentage of your, not exactly, but you gotta, you know, have a feeling of like, if there's a low probable trade, or is it a high, it's a high win rate trade, you know, for you to commit to the trade. So over here, it was pretty low probability that it's gonna reverse. So like, I was just in small, and once I get the confirmation, I'll add more in, and it just go my way. I don't guess. At first, I guess with a couple micros, test the water, but you don't guess full size. Thing of trading is term of probability, not for sure it's gonna do this, is this gonna happen, you know? If you think like that, you are being an ego trader. You should stay humble, no matter what, no matter how big is your account size, no matter your win rate, but you gotta stay humble. You cannot say, okay, right here, it's 100%, it's gonna reverse. I'm a fucking full port right here, dude, and then little, you know what, you blow your account. That happened to me, and that's what I learned. This is my experience. I blew a lot of money. That's how I learned. You know, it's a game of probability. that's not 100% sure. Market is randomness, bro. Like there's a lot of noise in the market. Like it's going slow right here, and suddenly some news come out, and bam, we just fucking crash. You know, who knows? So don't ever saying a trade gonna be 100% win rate. You know, when I talk to some of the traders, they say for sure this gonna happen. Okay, obviously sweep is gonna reverse, bro. I don't think it's for sure. I think they're being ego, you know. All of my trades maybe. I'm not for sure. I always say might. You know. Bro, if they're so sure about the fucking market, why don't they borrow $1 million, bro, or 100K and just full port, right? Dude, everyone would be a millionaire. And then, you know, when they don't think, oh yeah, I don't think the chart gonna reverse. Hell no, like they don't think the chart gonna reverse and stuff, all of that, and it's reverse on them, you know. And at that point, you know. Oh shit, Alan, is that guy from GTA? Oh hell yeah. Yeah, but like, you know, when you are being so ego, you're gonna start removing your stop loss because you're saying 100% it's not gonna reverse from here. You know, you being ego to yourself, and it's gonna ruin your fucking psychology because now then like, damn bro, why is my analysis wrong? And you start to remove your stop loss to prove to yourself that you are right, you know. And if you blow your account right there, you're gonna feel so fucking disappointed and you're gonna get scared of the market. That's why like don't ever, every time you get in a trade, just don't think about the wins. Think about how much you're gonna risk, and that's it. Don't think about the fucking take profit, all of that shit, bro. Just like yesterday, I'm fine with this take profit, but I could take it up here, right? But all I care is like, damn, bro, now I'm in a safe spot. I'm good for the night, you know? Just don't think about the fucking... The only reason why I took it, I got into bad, and I don't want it to reverse on me, right? So I'm saying humble right there. Even though I know, like, there's a high chance it's gonna pull up here. But I don't want to leave the trade overnight. Yeah, long time no see for real. God damn. GTA, shit. Back in the time, it was fun as fuck. But I don't play games no more. Maybe League sometime. Just gotta stay humble, like with everyone, especially with yourself. Oh my God, look at ES, which is all-time high now. I should be on ES. You know, stay humble to yourself. That's the most important thing. Not to everyone, but to yourself first. You gotta be humble to yourself first. You know, because in every, you know, as a human, we want to win, and you gotta rewire your brain to accept our losses. That's how you become profitable, man. Stay humble to yourself. When people say stay humble, not stay humble to other people, but stay humble to yourself first. Alright? Trying to stay humble to yourself. That's my advice. So trying to rewire your brain to think in probability and think like, am I willing to take this stop loss? And always put a stop loss. Don't ever fucking remove or move it. You know? Have a hard stop loss. So instead of blowing your count, you can take small days like me. Good morning, Matt. Let's go. Shee. Take small days like me. stay humble. Because I know I was in a losing streak, so I stay humble right there. I de-risk, play small size until I'm back into the streak. So now I'm a little bit more confident. I start to increase size again, you know. Stay a little bit humble right there. Shit. Thanks, Matt. You're a little bit late today. I don't see you in the fucking VC, Matt, but it's fine. It's fine. Cause I'm talking to the stream right now. What up, Flat? Welcome to the stream. Everyone, drop a like, drop a subs. ES just all-time high and NQ doing nothing. Oh, 150 subs coming soon? No way. Oh, it's only 134. I need 15 more. Hell yeah. Yeah, this is hard to trade. You know, it's a low probability trade because ES is all-time high already. And NQ still down here. So like, you know, it's kind of indecisions right now between the two market. That's why I'm waiting. Cause ES say I want to go up, but NQ say no, I don't want to go up. That's indecisions. Not just, you know, candles, but like in between market indecisions. They're not flowing together. So for me to go long, NQ get back above here, at least. Get out of this indecision zone. Yeah, I took trade last night. I'm up, but nothing more than that. I'm trying to work on this 150k on combine. Nothing more than that though. I'm still waiting for a good trade. Pretty indecisions right now between the two market right here. Hold on, yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. Sorry. Yo, what's up, y'all? How we doing? Market still consolidating? Yeah, it barely moving. Barely moving. This is why I don't want to trade this range. Even if I go long, that's still not a good move. Like, is it worth it to like get a small move like that and, you know, there's barely any movement. It's gonna move once get out one of this two range right here. Yup. Welcome everyone to the stream. So to be eligible for the giveaway, you gotta be in the stream. So once I do the roulette, you guys would have to comment like, you know, your Discord tag up here, because I'm gonna do roulette based on the tags. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine if you live in a little bit. That's, as I say, if it's in this range, it's just gonna consolidate. So if you want a clean move, it's gotta get out of this range, you know? This is, if it got above or below, this are the two zones where you're gonna catch the big move. You don't wanna go for a small move. And the market's just gonna chop the fuck out of you. Look at this chop. Dude. You go long, they chop down. You go short, they chop up. And even if you got down here, there's still a little bit, like, it's so small move, you know? Like, what? And it's been like almost an hour. No, I don't trade full time. I'm a college student. I work on the side too. So if you want to become profitable, just see trading as your side job. But if you're trying to be full time, it's gonna be hard. You know, just flow with the water. Just like Bruce Lee say, you know? Just flow with it. Once you're profitable, you know, once you make enough money to quit your full-time job, you would know. But other than that, just make this your side job so you won't, like, you know, focus like, damn, if I don't make money today, I'm not gonna have money to pay my bills, you know? So just make it your side job. Because, you know, if you want to make this your full job, you gotta be able to make enough money with it, right? But at first you're not profitable yet and you want to make your full-time job and you have bills, this shit gonna stress the fuck out of you and you're not gonna be able to be patient to wait for trades. You just want to get in to get quick money. Quick money equals fucking, you know, like account blows. Let me get the Comex data book right here. I think my data expired. Give me 1 second. I'm getting gold, like medals, like Comex data book for bookmap, cause this one already expired. And I forgot to what's my major? I'm computer science. Yeah, computer science. You know, just make fucking trading your side job, and you're gonna be profitable. Trust me, because you don't care about the money. You're gonna play small size, and once you're profitable, you just gonna flow with the water, and then over the time your risk tolerance gonna increase, your profit gonna increase. But don't fucking rush it. All right. Because you want this to be a full-time job so bad. Yeah, trading is a good, you know, good full-time job. You can travel, you can trade, but what? That's gonna add pressure to your trading. Would you want to trade in pressure, or you want to trade just sitting here and chill like me? You know, waiting for setup. It's fucking easy. The fuck? Where's my card? It's not working. To pay for this bookmap. Yeah, just don't think about the full-time shit yet. You gotta make it. Just flow with the water, bro. Hold on, let me restart bookmap real quick. So I would live stream on Discord, so there would be no delay, you know, 24/7 for people to see it. And I will add in like a pay roles in Discord, so only people who have that roles will be able to see the live. Giveaway at 11 right here. Here we go, Comex. I cannot change my... Fuck. Give me 1 second, y'all. I should say like Friday market gonna be slow. I said that in the Discord. So it's pretty low probable to trade right now. Yeah, if you have an appointment, yeah, okay, I'll count you in. Since you're here, I'll count you in later. Definitely. Hold on, let me pay for this prop firm real quick. I have 2 more funded account, but I was trying to activate the account, but they don't let me. So I'm gonna try it again. I just said that in the Discord yesterday, right? Like, market today is not gonna be nice. Literally. That's what I say. God damn. No, you don't have to show your appointment, dude. I trust you. You're here. You've been here. It's fine, dude. Just go. Yeah, market is slow market today, right? It's weird. God damn, why I cannot activate my account? Here you go. Finally get some volume. We pull back to the zone. Breakout. Yeah, yesterday we saw a lot of actions, but today it's just Friday. Yeah, and they don't want me to trade. Hell yeah. Everything's just broken. Not gonna lie, I might take a quick long up to the zones. I don't know though. It's pretty low conditions right now. I'm gonna give it a shot. There we go. No drawdown. Well, put my stop loss probably just below this big bubble. Let's see if this buyer's hold. If they don't hold, we're gonna go back down and it's consolidate market. Like this big bubble right here where the buyers came in, if we flush back below here, it's gonna go back all the way down. We're above VWAP right now. Let's see. My stop loss is right here, so it's good. Below all of this buyers. So this is my protection right here. If they don't protect it, I don't want to be in the trade. I'm giving away in 40 minutes right here. There we go, baby. Keep going. We have sellers over here that we gotta get through. Like this seller's trying to defend right here. You can see right here some big bubble. But if we can flush through them, we can go up. But I do see a lot of aggressive buyers right now. And my stop loss pretty tight, so getting defended by this buyers right here. So if this buyers don't defend, we flush down towards here, which is 109 at least. If this don't defend, we go to 109, 114. This buyer's down here, but they're defending right now. have liquidity at 134. If we can poke through this, it's gonna. Dude, just click on. You're in the giveaway. Just be on stream. So when I do roulette, you know, I'll call your name out. Just click on emoji and announcement. Then I'll do roulette. I'll get all the names up there and do a roulette on stream. It's consolidating right now because we have sellers on the left, buyers over here. Let's see who's gonna win. If it got buff here, I'm gonna scale it more. So you see, we have buyers right here, and we have sellers just right over here. They're fighting each other right now. Sellers trying to defend their positions, buyers trying to defend their positions over here. So if buyers win right here, we're gonna get a quick pop up. Still no drawdown. There we go, buyers won. And you see, quick pop up. I'm gonna go break even. Buyers won. You know, I back on the buyers right there. Buyers won. We squeeze up. So now where's the next zone for sellers to defend again? $140. We're at 140 right now. So if sellers don't defend right here, we keep going up. 140. You see, they're trying to defend right here. And 151 is to 148 is the last zones. And after that, we just go straight up. But I'm break even. Come on, buyers, overwhelm them. You see sellers defend right at the zones, 140. You know. But if they can't, I'm gonna go up right here. There we go. Fuck them sellers up. Come on, keep pushing. You know, first 80 bucks right there, already up 135. You know, could go up for more. There's no need for a stop loss down here when you have bookmap. You know what's going on. You know this buyer's fucking gonna defend you right there. This is your protections. And guess what? Price don't go below here. So now it doesn't matter, I'm in a free trade. If sellers wins, then I'll take the break even. But if buyers win, I'm gonna squeeze this motherfucker to the high. I gotta get above all of the sellers before I scale more in. Above this zone, I'm gonna scale 5 more in. Keep going for all-time high. Up 150 right now. What's 150? Let's see. See, sellers still defending. You can see right here. Right at the 140. The next zone for sellers is up here. As soon as we get above 150, we good. Keep buying. Above 150, it's gonna squeeze up high. Right there. That's the zone. Once we get over that, we're just gonna go. And the next sellers, we're just gonna go up towards here. This is where like the most sellers broke this market out. Hell yeah. Good shit, Danny White. Bam. Got break even right there. Solid defend. We got a quick pop down right there. It's fine. I don't want to risk more than that. Sellers got back in. Just pop down. Limit buyers hop back into supported, but it's fine. Oh my god, if this go up, seller's gonna get squeezed. Yeah. But buyers still strong, like they brought it way back up. Let's see though. So I can wait for it to get above 150 to entry again, you know? It's fine. That was a good trade though. But you know, this rally happened. That's why I say, like, you know, market is random. This is so random, right? Random. So fucking random. And it's fine. You just play cool with it. So now if it get above 150, I'll buy. Nice, Danny. Yeah, it's fine. Bro, like, there's no wick like that and suddenly it pop out a wick, you know? And literally at the zone I say seller's gonna defend, right? So someone dumped a big order right there. Right here at 140. Look, the seller's right here. Literally when I say, alright, I'll see you later. Hell yeah. Literally when I just say. But I didn't expect that just so quick. Someone just put in a really big order right there. So you can see the CBD just dump. So someone went in with a big order right there. Good break even, right? Come on, still up $3 for the day. I'm up on the other account, so I'm just chilling. Come on. If I can get pulled back up, I'm gonna go for a long again right here. But you can see how useful is bookmap. You know, I could exit right here, but like, I was thinking for a bigger move, you know? And it's only 5 micros on 150k account. And I was only risking $80 and already make like 150 right up here. That's almost a 1 to 2 already, right? So that was a good trade. To me. Oh, if we can squeeze buff above the seller skin, I might hop in for another long. Let's see though. But I need more buyers to support the market. Okay, there we go. Okay, we actually got the buyers supporting the market right here. Going long. Stop loss just below those buyers. Just right below 132. Right there, 131. Let's see if buyers support it. Come on. Buyers don't. And I'll take the 70 bucks loss. Sellers, step back in again. Okay. So I'll just wait again for it to get above again. Just take small losses, you know. That's all you gotta do. We're getting above again here. Above the sellers again, I'm gonna go for another long. And stop loss just below here. Let's see how ES doing. This is why I prefer for it to get above the zones, yeah, or below here, because like here there's seller, down here is buyer, so like on the way up it's gonna consolidate. It's gonna be hard, but it's fine. That's why I'm doing small size right now instead of like going 2 minis. Yeah, that was a good buyers right here, but if they don't support it, we're gonna go down to retest this buyer down here. Oh, seems like this buyer's down here supporting. I'm gonna hop back in for a long. Soon. And we get absorptions. As you see, big sellers, no reward at all. You know, it's a good sign to maybe keep going for long. Let's see. I need it to get kind of above here again though. Buyers supporting the market right now, you can see. So much. There are a lot of aggressive sell, but some limit buyers and keep holding market. You know, you see red bubbles, but we kind of stall out right here. Let's see if they're gonna hold it though. If not, then like if we get below here, we're gonna flush down. That's why I want to wait for it to get up here for a good confirmations, good setup. The reason why I went short, because I still bullish. The trend's still bullish, to be honest. See if these buyers right here are gonna support the market. If not, we flush down here. Just where we find the next buyer around here. Around 117. Just exactly below this wick. That's why we got buy supported, brought it back up, right? Yeah. You can see this buyer is supporting price right here, right? We pull down, they brought it back up. So Let's see though. Took a $70 loss right there, but that's not a lot. Yeah, market today is just, you know, as I say, Friday is not good unless it get above the zone or below zone down here. Oh, buyers getting back in again. Here's might be a good buy soon. Wait for this candle to close real quick. I'm gonna buy right here. Stop loss where? Just below all of this buy, 128. Let's see if we can make back $70. Oh, it went crazy today on gold. Oh yeah, it just go up and down, right? Like, oh, I'm feeling like institutions kind of taking profit on gold now, because, you know, it's consolidating at the top, and like, you know, buyers, retail buyers buying into institution selling. Because every chop is big, but like they brought it back up, so they kind of take profit a little bit right there. Fuck, don't fuck me. Breakout 137. Don't consolidate here. This is why I love to like just wait for confirmations. Fuck the breakout trade, dude. Come on now. Breakout gives you good risk reward, but confirmation trade give you a high win rate. Right, exactly at 137. It wouldn't close the candle above. You know? And now all of this fucking buyers got smashed again. Another $72 loss. It's just consolidating. Oh, what? I'm already exit. The position was... Damn, buyers lost that. Damn, 137. Just gotta get above that. They can't. Shit, I might just wait. That was good volume buy, right? But sellers step back in. Like, dude, just consolidate. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait for the zones. This is low probability right here. $50 down for the day, but not a lot. I'll just play small size right there. Oh, we got absorptions again. A lot of limits order hit, but I mean a lot of aggressive sell order hit, but limit buyers supported again. God damn. Shit, should I trade this chop? That's the question. Fuck, I'm gonna wait for 137. I'm gonna wait. Or if I want a bottom tick buy, 117, and accumulate my position in slowly. Yeah, buyer supporting right here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this. Trying to bottom tick 117 right here. Let's see how this whole leg move up. volume profile chart right now. POC right here. Yep, seller fell. That's why you wait for confirmation. That was a good 70 bucks loss. No shit. Maybe I'll buy it around. Let's see. We have a low volume note right here. This is high volume note. As I say, if we flush down through all of this buyer, look what happened. Bam, we just flush. Let's see if 117 hold. So we got below this buyers right here, it just flush. This is gonna be an next one for buyers to hold again right here. They're gonna hold this one just right here. I feel like it's gonna go back down here though. Patient, y'all. We're gonna catch some good trade. It's not the right time. Oh, this is a B shape right here, you know. So a good entry would be around right here. If you're on the bottom tick, give it a try, test the water out. You see like value touch and already like kind of react right here. Oh, we're gonna aim 117. Bro, yesterday was a lot of trade, but today it's just market is kind of boring for me. Yeah, today it's just maybe I'll wait for this one. I'm going for a buy. Have a good stop loss right here. It might run from here, so I don't know. It might come back to this zone, but it might just run from here instead of retest at this zone. Fucking shit, no drawdown trade. Let's fucking go, gang. Just no drawdown, we just up. Fuck them sellers. Get back above here. I'm adding more. No drawdown, you know, when I get in, there's no drawdown. That's when I get in. Move my stop loss up right away. I was thinking like it's gonna retest this zone, but you know, I just give it a try. Don't want to miss it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. It's pretty useful. Sellers defend again. If it get back above, fucking 5 more. Hell yeah. Bro, it's just pretty low conditions today right here. Look at this shit. That was just a lot of bullish volume, and we pushed right back down with a lot of sellers. We didn't even hold the zone up here. We just pushed straight down. Cause usually like I would see like a little bit of consolidations, you know. But if it can flip, I'm gonna add in 5 more. Well, I'll take $50 loss. Let's see if we can get back up though. You know, the reason why I moved my stop loss because I already see some buyers step in. So there should be no reason to reverse for this zone, maybe, but it's low, pretty low chance that I'm gonna reverse for that zone. That's why I'm just move stop loss. Like if I hit my stop loss, gonna reverse for that zone. Hold on, I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Just want to make sure like it's actually break out, not just some bullshit. Move stop loss up again. Buyers came in again. So if this buyers lose, like I need to get out. No need to be in the trade. Besides, most of the buyers right here, 19. Just right here, they gotta support it. See? If not, then I'll get out. still only a little bit of drawdown right there, but I'm still in a good positions right here. Can we break out of the sellers? Come on, there we go. As soon as we break out, we pop. Move stop loss up just under this buyer right here. Risking 100. Of 150 bucks, basically break even for the day right there if I want to take profit. But I want to try for a run, you know. At least hit this zone, which is like 700 or 1,000. It's only 100 bucks profit. Nice, candle close outside. We got more buyers coming in, flushing them sellers. Get back above 137. I'm gonna add more. Cause this is where most of the sellers held price and push it down, right? So that was a little bit of bottom tick right here. Not really bottom tick, but pretty good trade. Back above 137, I'm gonna add 5 more. I'm gonna put another 5 stop by. Just keep pyramid. You know, every trade you see me get in, it's either a stop loss or just run, you know? There's no like fucking damn, I gotta wait hours for it to hit my stop loss or take profit or in profit, you know? It's either up or down, that's it. We're in fucking in the battle. So right now it's in the battle. But the zone I got in, down here is where buyers like kind of dominate right here. I got in just up straight to profit. So this is why you shouldn't get in. They're fighting. For you to get in, you got above 137. I was waiting. If it got above 117, I'm gonna hop back in and reclaim that level. You know, as I say earlier, 117 is like where most buyers. And if reclaim it, that's mean like the buyers at this level kind of defend it. You know, they don't want their position to be in the red. They don't want to cover their positions. Up 300. You know, just like that. 150 bucks loss. I already make 1-2 right here. 1 to 2. I was risking small 2. But I don't care about this number. I care about like how much can the chart run. Like I'm feeling like the chart can run up here to retest the sellers. So I don't care about this money. I just care like how far can it run. If there's still potential for it to run, I'm still in the trade. If not, then I'll get out. And I see there's still potential. All of this sellers are about to cover right here. So what happened after price got above there? They're gonna cover the positions, and we're gonna get a good pop, right? We're gonna get a really good pop, like going high. Like we're gonna squeeze up. If not, I'll take break even. So it's fine to take multiple losses, right? How many losses you guys saw me took today? 2. But all of those trades, I was in profit, but I didn't take profit because I was thinking it could run further. I could take profit. But you gotta try. Some days I just take quick profit, you know, but some days, like combine, I usually let it run, especially on combine. Yeah, risk management. Dude, I took so many trades. No, that was 2 trades. Yeah, so many trades. I was in profit, break even, 2. 3 trades. 1 break even, but 2 of it was in like good profit, right? So now this trade, if I exit right now, that's 150 bucks up on the day, but I could make more. Still on a lot on the table right here. I see there's a lot on the table for me to take. But you see, like, I want to test the water first. I go in small, add in another 5 when I get that confirmation breakout right here. I just put a stop buy. I don't try to buy in from here. Just put a stop buy. Bam, in another 5. See, as soon as we break above that, you see that pop? You see that? It's just everywhere I put my order, it's gonna pop, right? Up 500, close to 500. We squeezing, boys. You know, everywhere I put my order, it's just gonna pop, right? That's the power of bookmap. We got a little bit of stall right here, but it's not a big problem for me. It just pop whenever I put my order in. Now we won the battles. You see, buyers won the battle, and what we do now? We're squeezing. Shit. Up 700. What? 150 bucks lost. Now we gotta get above 150. I'm gonna put my stop loss just below here, you know, so I could capitalize 230 right there for the day. What? What? Come on, y'all. Shit. That was a kind of bottom take too, right? Let me finish this trade and I'm gonna do a giveaway. We still in the trade. If I got back above, I'm adding 5 more. Final add. For 150 level right here. Dude, it's just combine, bro. What the fuck? 10 evals? Yeah, when I get 5k payout, I would give out 10 evals. Dude, 10 evals like 500 bucks. I don't got that much. So now I want to see this level getting respect, right? If not, I'll take 230. This is my final app. 2 minis. Yeah, I know, bro. But yeah, if I got the cash, I would definitely give out 10. I want to see this buyers defend. You can see, trying to defend. No, I'll take 230, bro. This already a good trade. I don't care. Move it down a little bit. So I push back above, I'm gonna move my stop loss just under here. Oh, yeah, it's gonna fail. Sorry, broke out of this range. I don't want it to do the bullshit now. We just gotta get back above 150 and then we finna squeeze all the way up here, maybe all time high. I don't know. But the next level is like this sellers right here. This box. If we get above that, we squeeze all time high. No, we just gotta get above this box right here. Then all time high coming, baby. Now they're fighting again. You see consolidate because 150 sellers. Down here we have buyers, right? So if we win the sellers, we're gonna keep squeezing up. But right now the flow is bullish, right? So I'm a little more bullish. And I'm already in a long. Up here we have the sellers 150, the line exactly where I marked. It literally tap above and get below. You see, the sellers 159 to 153. So this is the last zone. If seller don't hold right here, we fucking squeeze to the moon. About to be in another 5. Move my stop loss up a little bit. I'll take 300 right there. Get back above. That 5 is not confirmation. It's just I want to play this break out of 150 level right here. I got in right here below 150, right? So let's see if they're gonna break out. If not, I'll take 300. Break the fuck out that 150 level for me. Give my stream a good pop. Make it a good fucking day for my viewers to see a beautiful pop. They're still protecting, as you can see. 150 level. Then down here we have buyers, right? So it's consolidating until it's breakout. It's either breakout to the downside or upside. Here we go. We're gonna pop again. Or nah. Come on, get the fuck out, sellers. Just watch. All the sellers are trying to defend right now, but once it pops, it's gonna squeeze them sellers out so high. So sellers getting in, but imagine like once it get over here, bro, like those sellers got covered their positions. It's gonna go, just go. Maybe next 5 minutes candle right here. Got above. Shit. Maybe next 5 minutes candle. Just got above. We squeeze. Damn, they don't want to give up. Come on, just get above. But you see how's it? This is like, I'm not saying in terms of respect level, but this is like psychology in the market right here. This is like between seller and buyer. Like, you know, right here, yeah, if without order flow, you know, this is like price. You know, this is a level that price kind of get respect, but why? But order flow help you know that, like, yeah, there was sellers over here. That's why it's getting respect, you know. Okay, here's the pop. Come on. I like that volume. I like that snapback quickly. Trapping sellers. Move my stop loss up a little bit. I'll take 400. It's got pop right here. If not, I'll take it. Ooh, buyers getting in. Here's the pop. Yes, we're climbing over that level now. I feel like seller about to give up. You see, like, a lot of sellers trying to get in, but price still going up. That's mean like, dude, this is not good for them. Oh my god, look at that pop. What did I just say? Okay, stop loss just right below that level right there. Oh my god, dude. It's fine if I take 600 right here. Oh my god. Dude, what did I just say? What did I just say? Yeah, pop, it crack. 2. Oh my god. We going. Up 900. 2. All of the short covered the positions. That's why you see this. So now I need 150 to get respect right here. Because buyers broke that. If we get back below, I'll exit with 600. Order flow. Order flow. $150 getting respect. Bam. Up for the day. I was up 900, you know. It's fine. I'll take it. I supposed to take some partial right here too, because that was a big pop. Let's fucking go, 13 viewers. Seller got back in. But that was a good pop, as I say. You know? Bro, I might get back in. If this buyer's hold. Dude, it's so easy when you know the flow of the market, you know? Literally what I just say, like what gonna happen, right? I'm not sure if it's gonna push through, but I know once it push through, this gonna happen. And that gonna happen. But I don't know if it's gonna push through or not. So I say if it pushed through 150, we got pop. We did get pop. As soon as candle close above 150, we just pop. Just YouTube, man. Just YouTube, and then like, just look at the chart a lot. Seller got back in right here. But I'm cool with that trade. 650. I thought it could go up right there, but then. So look, what happened if we got below 150 again? We flush back down. That's why I exit. I want 150 to get respect right there. But I still want to look for buy. Because buyers still might defend down here. Who knows? But yeah, let's do the giveaway. Come on now. It's already 11:10. And I'm done with that tray. Sheesh. Alright, giveaway roulette. Alright, I'm gonna add in all the names. Let's see. So, little. He's not here, but I'm still gonna include him in. Thank you, Matt. That was a good analysis, right? Okay, so Han, I haven't seen him on stream. Hold on, let me disable my streamer mode. LeRose was here today, so I'm gonna include him in. JP was here. Let's go, come on. Dude, I don't see JP. I don't see Bo. Assad definitely here. Aft. Clean. DN. What's it good? No, Denzel. It's Placo. Okay, I'm gonna include Placo. I don't know if it's in this room. I haven't seen him. But it's fine. So like later if I announce the winner, if they're not here, they're not gonna get it, but I'm gonna include Lido, DN, and Lil Rose because I saw them in stream today. Ryan, I don't know, so I'm just gonna add. Matt, definitely Matt. He just comment on the chat. Who else? Am I missing anyone? Danny. Is Danny here? Oh, it's Phillips? Oh no, Blacko, are you Phillips? What? Blacko? I thought Phillips. What? I know this picture, this you the only one. Oh, what? So whose picture is that? Cause I know one of the guy in the Discord has the same photo of him, Phillips. Like look. The fuck? Okay. So I'm just gonna do the roulette right here. Let's see who's the winner. Come on, come on, give me some drum. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be the first account. Bam! Who's the winner? Oh my fucking god, Assad, bro, you're so lucky today. No, LeRose. Oh my fucking god, bro, Assad, you're I thought it was you, LeRose. He's here, yeah, Justice Rose. That's the first winner. DM me on Discord with your number if you use Zell. Okay, hold on. Let me exclude him out. Let me take him out first. Hold on. I'll do it again. Nope. No winner there. No winner there. I gotta take his name out. Forgot to. Gotta take his name out. So no LeRose. LeRose the first winner already. Okay. Assad. The end. Sin. Blacko. Oh my god. What happened? I gotta do this all over again. My bad, yeah. Dude. Echoes over here. Later Trace. Ryan. Matt. And who else? Danny. Alright, let rolls. Hold on. Let me do this. So I can give away at the same time. Yeah, you gotta be in Discord. You gotta be in Discord. You gotta press on the emoji. Come on now. I feel like, dude. Okay, I'm gonna give everyone a chance right here. Last chance. Come on. Press emoji in Discord. In the announcement channel. You gotta click on the emoji. So I can get your name down. Your Discord tag. Just be quick. 5 minutes for y'all. In my descriptions. Bo. Yeah, I thought you was not here. My bad, Ali. But we still have one more chance. Okay, trade A. Or just go into my Discord. Just type your name into chat. Come on, type your YouTube name into chat. General chat. But we got a first winner. Oh my god, I'm sorry, Ali. I didn't know you were a bow. Cause just type your name into chat. Discord, YouTube name. We got the first winner. I'm gonna send him after this. I'm gonna say everybody, to be honest. Alright, who else? Type your name into chat. In Discord chat. Cause Discord is where you're gonna receive your stuff. So I need y'all to be on Discord to get your fucking prize. But I'm gonna put South Waves right here. South Waves. Put in your name. Asad, you already in, bro. Stop putting your name, bro. I already put your name in. You're trying to fucking get more chances to win this. Come on, put your name in the chat. Dude. I know, right? Cause I'm doing a giveaway. Nah, you already won. I took your name out, Rose. Nope. Only one winner. A winner can only get the prize once. Hash. I got hash. Is everyone ready? Everyone in? If yes, I'm gonna shuffle right here a little bit, you know? Alright, we going for the next round. Give me some drum. 1, 2, 3. Let's fucking go. We're rolling. Oh my god, South Wave. Okay, let's go. He's new here too. He got his stuff. Let's fucking go. Okay, send me your number. Everyone send me your number. I'ma sell them right now. Okay, I'ma sell it to Ro first. I'ma confirm the first and last name on Zelle. So stay on the stream. To shit. W to the winner. I might do another giveaway for the next payout, you know. So just stick on the Discord. I'm gonna do another giveaway. Okay, Rose. William? Are you William? Are you William? Yeah, but like I can give you money to get another prop firm, you know? Yeah, no problem, man. Are you William? Is that your Zelle name? Rose? Yes, okay. That's William. Okay. So I don't wanna disclose the whole name. $50. Shit. And I'ma send the proof on Discord too. First transfer. Have you received it? Okay, I need your name. Sal Waves. I need your phone number for Zelle or whatever. Shit, I got fan blown. My bad. Yeah, I need to get get noise removal from my mic. Yeah, but price, you see, it's kind of respect 150 now. I don't want to be in that. I already got the big move. Come on, send me your number, Sal Waves. On Discord. Hold on, send me a request friend real quick. I'm trying to. Okay, sorry. Damn, you are new here too. PayPal? Give me your email. Email. Come on, give me your email. Did you get your payout right there? Justice? Give me your email, PayPal. Did you message me on Discord? Give me your email, please. So we can finish this up. Yes, sir. Hope you enjoy your account. You know, play slow. Free account. You know, if I got 5K payout, I might give out 250K account. I'm gonna get 10% out of the payout and do giveaway for y'all. Yes, sir. Rose got his post it on Discord too for everyone who wants to see it. That's legit. I'm legit. Alright, now it's send. Phobie. Hold on, I'll just do it on my computer so I can copy and paste. Send it to me again, cause it was a long name, so I don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna send it right now. Give me 1 second, I'm logging in. Have you received your? Dude, I already done the giveaway. So it was South Wave. Yeah. Good shit, bro. Dude, I don't give away free money, bro. I just do giveaway for the community. But I don't just give people to buy accounts, you know? But if you're lucky, you get it, bro. Dude. W. Yeah, next time for sure, little tray. W day for the winners. W day for me. See, now 150 getting a respect. Casella won again. We pushed back down. Buyers couldn't push through. Buyers trying to push through. We flushed through, but like some of the sellers up here protected again. That's why I try my stop loss so tight. W for everyone. Oh my god, buyers getting back in. I might take another trade, and then I'll be done for the day. I shrimp too much today. Shrimp too much. Not really. Oh yeah, appreciate it, bro. You know, just want to help out people. Definitely, bro. No, transparency. You know, I do what I do. You guys see my trades. You guys see my risk management. I don't just like get in a winning trade and I'll take a picture and send out the winning trade. And just like, I don't send out the losers trade, you know, the loss. I'm beyond shrimp, taking trades with y'all, bro. Bro, thank you so much, y'all. Plus, y'all, same. Dude, I'm not giving away account free for people. Like, you just literally asking me. I was just doing a giveaway to my people, bro. Why would I give you account? Are you providing anything for me? You know, this is like I'm helping out community. I'm not helping out individual. You know? Dude, what the fuck? If you give me money to buy account, if I don't have the money, then definitely I'll give you. But dude, you know? Dude, hold on, let me put Matt as a moderator. No, there should be no reason to ban, but it's fine. It's fine, you know? Yeah. Matt, you the mod. Trying to chat again? You see your roles? Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Hell yeah. If more people on the stream, you know? Dude, but I'm gonna try, if I can help someone, I'll definitely help them. But you know? It's just like, dude, like, you gotta show me you have potential. You're a good guy first. Or something, at least something. Why would I help someone being disrespectful, you know? Like, say, damn, bro, you gotta give me this money for the account. Dude, if I see that, like, you know, you're a good guy, dude, definitely, yeah, I would love to help everyone out. You know? Cause I used to be struggle too, but who helped me? I was being by myself, dude. No one gave me account to money to buy account, and I know this giveaway means a lot to people in the community right here because they have a chance to get an account to learn. But I'm not giving accounts. If I know that if I give you that account and you can make millions on that account, yeah, bro, I'll give you. Or like if you can get to a payout, like get good payout, then I'll give you. But you gotta prove me something. Hell yeah. Oh, you sent me a DM? Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Hell yeah. Shit, my bad. But it's just a small community. Probably no one's gonna care, but you can send yours. Hell yeah, W day for everyone who took that long, you know. W day for me. It's a 1 to 3, you know. 1 to 4, you see, take small loss, win big, baby. Yeah, my bad, Rose. But probably no one's pay attention on that. Yeah, I'm gonna do another giveaway. No, thanks to Matt, cause I lost him a bet, $100, and he was like, "Yeah, let's just do a giveaway for the community." So it was Matt. It was his money. So I lost his bet, but I don't sell him the money. You know, he said just give it away to the community. So all thanks to Matt too. Goated. He's the goated right there. Yeah, not me. Cause me and him was like, damn, whoever trade Asia sessions, gonna lose $100. But it was too good. I caught a 2K trade, you know. So I was like, damn, bro, I'm just gonna pay you this $100, dude. Hell yeah, W Matt. Me and him was on a bet, like see like we was on like no Asia session at all or London, only New York. But I messed up the bet. I fucked it up because I see a too good trade. You know, I gotta take it. And I caught the bottom tick from the top to the bottom all time high. I was like, Matt, it's a huge day, but I'm sorry. I fucked up my promise. Dude, appreciate it, bro. Yeah. You know, if you fucking buy Guru's course and stuff like that, they're never gonna do this for you, bro. Like, they're never gonna show transparency like this, and they're never gonna help you out. All they want is your course money, bro. But this is not a course at all or anything. I'm just trading people, and people see me trade, they'll learn from it instead of. Yeah, you can try out top one. I don't know if it's available to you. Top one right here. It's pretty good firm. Too or Tradify. Bro, look at my level. I marked out getting respect. It's pretty good. You can pop a buff right here, bro. I'm gonna go in for another long. Yeah, I got Boonox right here too. It's pretty good. Boonox, baby. I never trade with Tick Trader, but I know them. Might go for a long, to be honest. Give it a shot. Let's see though. Let's see how we're doing. The chart is consolidating today. So you can see it's a D shape. So below here you buy, above here you sell. But let's see though. Because if I see that like if it didn't break out from here today, it might just consolidate, to be honest. Shit, we're up 130 subs. Come on. Bro, I don't like the point system. Like every payout to take your point, take some money for points for live. Nah, just want to take my money. See if we can find any trade before I end the stream. I'm gonna end the stream in 20 minutes at 12 my time. Let's see how gold doing. But I couldn't add bookmap gold. It's just weird. Let me try again. Cause I just got the subscriptions. Yeah, that's why I say Friday's not good. But at least we caught some big trade right there. That was the whole move. I caught the whole move up right there, right? Basically. Bottom tick, top tick out. Dude. Let me ask support real quick. Give me 1 second. I'm asking support of Bookmap. Yeah. Today's a chop day. Just be careful. As soon as we flush that zone, we flush that zone. We're about to be back to the POC. Today is a consolidation day, so maybe buy low, sell high. I want to buy in from here though. From down here. Let's see if we can catch another bottom tick before go off stream right here. Seems like this buyer is holding right here. The line drew out. Search for the symbol, I guess. What is it say? Market closed. Where's GCZ? But this 2026 though. Oh, here we go. I gotta do the slash. Oh my god, it's so laggy. This is why like bookmap is so heavy. We got some liquidity here at 111. So if we're gonna flush down to here, it's a good buy down here. Flush down for me. Close some at the top. I'm done with those accounts. Good buy down here. Prefer this zone right down here. Let's see though. Here we go. Get down to my zone. Take out this 110. And we go down towards here. Or am I going for a long? Today's a consolidation day, so like just buy high, sell low. I mean buy low, sell high. Not buy high, sell low. Took out that 110. Can get down a little bit more. Come on. Okay. So we take out that 110. We flush. We push back up. But let's see. I still want to wait for this zone. But if it goes from here, I get some confirmations. I'm gonna go long then. Got my long soon. Waiting for the candle to close above, back above this level right here. I like this long. Where's our $100? Just below all of this buyers. 11. Just no drawdown, you know? No drawdown so far. But if I get stopped out, I'm gonna try to get a buy at the zones. But if it goes up from here, that's good. Check goal. Okay, hold on. Let me finish this trade real quick. It's during I trade gold during Asia, but I had to stop by right here. 5 more. We'll push back up. Try my stop loss up. You know what? I'm gonna wait for confirmations above here to be safe. Above all of these sellers. Because I don't want to deal with all of these sellers. We flush through this zone, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna go down to here. So I'm trying to get a buy down here. What's going down? I don't know, man. You're asking me. That's why I have a stop loss. I don't know. That's just the market. Dude, that's unfortunate. Yeah, that happened to me yesterday too. Yeah, I'm gonna put a stop buy. I do see some good buyers holding right here. Oh my god. Minus 370. Dude, it's not good. Risking 150 right here if it does go down. I want to risk more. Fucking buyers fell. I'll take my 150 loss. Still up 300 for the day. It's fine. Keep your losses small. give it a try there. But I still want to buy down here though. You know, I give it a try to see if it could reverse right here, but it can. So I give it a try. The seller's kind of defending. That's why I might move my stop loss up, because as soon as this buys fell, I might just pull all the way back down here, retest all of this, just like right now. Just keep your losses small. Only $150, but last trade I make what? A lot, like 650, you know. So just keep your losses small. We pulling back up, and I might try it again. If we go down from here, I'm gonna try to get a long right here. So that's a 2 scenario. Let's see where I want to reverse. Yeah, this buyer's hold right here. This limit buys or this hold. Give it another shot. $50. $50. Put stop loss 112. Nah, I think here's good. Let's see if we can get a good reversal right here. If not, then I'll have to wait for this zone down here. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Trying to play a breakout above all of this. As soon as top to high, I'm gonna go break even. It's kind of chopped right now, so I don't want to, you know, add in another 5. A lot of sellers, but like price just wouldn't go down, you know. Let's see. Once price pop back above here, it's gonna go up so high, because all of this sellers trying to bring price down, but they couldn't. So like once price got above here, dude, like they're gonna get fucked. They gotta get out. Look how much sellers selling right now, but price still going up. Price still holding, you know. So there's some limit buy supporting the market. But it could go down, definitely. Yeah, I'm out. I'm waiting for this zone. Risk $50 right there, down to 250. I'll wait for this zone. As soon as that break, we go down. So I want see. I don't want to risk more. So sellers finally won the battle right there in my zone. Try 5. Stop loss just below here. See if we can catch this bottom tick. I still like the trade. Shit, I should put a limit buy. I got a bad feel right there, but it's all good. Ooh, just flush down. That's why I'm going with 5. If it flip back up, I'm adding more. Sellers being aggressive. Let's see if today's gonna be a consolidation day or is it gonna trend down. Might get stop out right here. I'm getting stop out. And I would just wait. Wow, it just flushes down. These buyers down here don't hold. I'm out. Down to 40 bucks for the day. It's all good though. Let's see though. Coming to previous day, value error low. Yeah, if that don't hold right there, I want to get out right away. I'll take that 285 bucks loss, you know. Let me put on some music. Oh, sometimes just gotta take the loss. Be fine with it. No, the only reason why I have the wide stop loss right there is it was a falling knife. I was trying to catch the reversal point right there. I don't know how far I want to go down, but you know, that's the max I would do. That's just why I like buyer's loss, and I don't want to be in it. Nah, it's a falling knife now. We already poked below all of this. If I got below this zone, I might look for a short. Let's see though. As I say, beginning of the day, above this zone, I will go for buy for a big move. Below here, short. Below this box. But let's see if it can get over below this box. So it's either a reversal from here, or you know, reversal or going down. Previous daily low respecting. Let's see. But I still think it's gonna reverse though. I feel like today is a consolidation day, and it's just gonna bounce from low to a high, you know. Let's see though. Let's see how we do at the box. We're still pushing down. Oh, absorptions holding. Let me give it a try. Just test the water first right here. Let me test it out if today is a really consolidation day, or we're gonna push through this box. I don't know. I'll just go into my goals. Give it a try. And I'll pyramid in the more it goes up. You know, I have to give it a try. This looks like head and shoulder though. So if we push through this, turn bearish. Head and shoulder. Yeah, I saw absorption of the book map, so I want to give it a try. Let's see. Today is a trend or consolidation day. Up 100. Yeah, good shit, bro. I would just test the water with 2 micros right there. Want to see how it goes. Because usually I test with 5, but like I feel like it was a falling knife. But definitely today is a consolidation day. It don't push through right here. If it don't push back through this box, it's a consolidation day. I might add 3 more. Let's see though. Just see. I feel like today is still consolidation day. Making this bet. Yeah. Oh, if I flush back here, I'm gonna close my positions. I don't want to be in. Got a nice pot there. I think it's time to move stop loss, risking 300. Yep, it's a consolidation day. Buy low, sell high. see if seller. We buy low, we sell high right here. We're gonna push through this. We're gonna squeeze back up here. Take my full TP. And we'll be up 900 for the day. 980. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Asin. Thanks, everyone. This is good. Yeah, everyone can squeeze out the sellers. It's gonna go up so high. Yeah, it's a consolidation day. You know, I was testing with 2 micros, see like if it goes my way, it goes. Add 3 more. Dude, I think I had a little bit of wide stop loss up here. Option, that was a bad stop loss, but it's fine. Learn from it. Go. Let me check on gold real quick for sell waves. Oh, gold is a mess with the volume. I feel like gold is not that good today to trade during New York. It's barely moving, so you can see. But it shouldn't mess with gold, to be honest. But if I do, I would buy. I would buy, definitely I would buy. But dude, it's barely moving. You know? Yeah, I know, right, Matt? Snick again with the bottom tick. I got into micro down here. Let's see though. Get back above this sellers, I'm gonna add in more. Look, we have this huge cluster of sellers right here. We might just going down, back down, you know, so you gotta be safe, always. So I don't want to add in when priced at this fucking huge seller. I don't know if like seller's gonna get squeezed out or like fucking they're gonna defend it and push it right back down, you know. Therefore, like, no ad. Yep, they defending the shit. No, that's no news. It's just like that's market, how market works. Like we push below all of these buyers, and you know buyers just gotta cover their positions right there. Dude. Yeah, it gotta push through this zone right here at 91 for it to keep going up. If not, then we go down, back down. You know, it's got a hold. It's got a bias, got a hold strong around right here, and then accumulate. And once they have enough order, it's just gonna be a quick pop. But otherwise, sellers still here. So back above here, I'm gonna add more positions in. How big was the drop? 400 ticks. Yeah, time going fast, right? Let's see if buyers down here gonna defend. Yo, not gonna lie, if they do, I'm gonna just scowl in a little bit and get some profit, be done for the day here. Just today's chop to like go for a trend day. It's a chop day, definitely. So I'm gonna watch buyers down here to see if they defend it. If they do, I'm gonna just scowl in and capture a move just right back up there with 20 micros. If they don't defend this shit, we're going back down to here. You see big cluster right here? They gotta push through that in order for it to keep going up. But we have some buyers down here. Let's see if they defend it. If they do, I'm adding some more. If not, then I'll take 300 loss. Seller getting aggressive. I'm gonna do 30. 30 contract. If they defend right here, let's play it back up real quick. Just be done for the day. Risk about 500, I think. If they do defend down here. Buyers trying to buy it up, but they can. I'm gonna take the loss right here. Wait for the next zone. See if this buyers can hold it. It seems like they cannot. A lot of buyers, but like price still going down. That's not good, right? So if we flush this zone, probably go down to zone down here. Oh, buyers in. Here we go. Here we go. Buyers is here. Buyers in. Big bubbles. Risking 1K. Let's see. This buyers can hold. Going for 3K. Fucking hold it. Oh, stop loss gotta be below 31. Just below here. This big bar. 29. Yeah, this is a safe stop loss right here. I gotta push above this sellers again for me to set stop loss just below this buyer. If they flush down below right here, I don't see it's good, I'm gonna hop out right here. Yep, this is not good. Buyers hold. I'm ready to click out before it touch my stop loss right here. I'm out. Take 1K loss right there. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait for this zone down here. Yeah, I don't want it to touch my full stop loss right there. If that don't hold, I'm just out. I'm just out right there. Down 1.1. That was a risky trade, but I felt like today is a chop day. There's a high chance they're gonna hold it. Guess I'm wrong. Buyers getting in again. God damn, they got slammed. Just wait for the right zone. They got slammed again. This is good absorption though. A lot of sellers were barely pushed down. There's 250. This is why I don't trade on my fun day on Friday. Just market indecisions. Just good absorptions though. You know, a huge drop, but like it barely going down. A lot of sellers. $300 lost, or no, get back above for me. If I didn't exit right there, that would be like 1.5k. That was bad. I don't like it. It's out right on time. 1.3 today. Now it's 150k combined though, so I still have a lot of chance. Just gotta wait for the right zone. I'm out again. Gotta keep trying. Fucking buyers holding again. Should I get in this shop? Fuck. Should have bought a ticket. Cause I want to squeeze back up here. It's gonna go all the way back up so high. This is a lot of sellers and they're getting absorbed right now. Trying to push. You see how hard they're trying to push it down? But they couldn't. Oh my god, they try so hard. Give it another shot. Come on. I know you can do it, buyers. Oh, 15 minutes candle about to close. This might be bad for me. Stop out again. Another 200, that's 1.5. Gotta wait now, yeah. Since flush down. Seller was trying so hard right there, but once they got it down, it's gonna go down. Probably torch zone right here. We have a couple zone. $2,500. There's some liquidity right here. Wait for a little bit of confirmations. Get back to sellers. I'm hopping for long. If not, then I'll wait for it to tick out 25,000. Get in this low volume zone. Go for a long. Getting above the sellers right here. Should I play a breakout right here? Nah, I'm gonna just wait to get above the sellers. Fuck it. Stop loss below this buyers right here. 31. Let's see if this hold. I'm at 10 more. Now we come to the sellers. The two sellers, let's see if we can squeeze them out. Stop loss below 35. This buyers who broke out this move. It's a risky move. I want to give it a shot. Let's see if buyers right here gonna protect. If it can get above, I'm adding 10 more. Above the sellers right here. Buyers are not strong today. Buyers right here defending. My flush down though. Buyers defending. Get back above right here. All of the sellers. I'm in for another 10. Getting down to my zone. This is the last buyer. If they don't hold, I don't know what's gonna hold, man. So I gotta get out right there. Bam, another 500. Alright, think I'm done for the day. Yeah, if that don't hold, shit, we're going down towards here again. But yeah, I see you guys on Monday, so that's a 2K loss for the day. I give it a shot. It's fine, it's just an eval. But on Express, like that's why I don't trade my funded today, you know? It's Tough. But I'll see you guys on Monday. All right. Peace.